Hi everyone. So you might already be knowing that Codechef's May long challenge is currently going on. So just like last month we discussed April long challenge questions. This month we will be discussing May long challenge problems. So either me or Naman will be up solving the questions. So don't worry. So the contest started on 7th May. So you only 4 days are left. Okay. So this is just a reminder that 4 days are left for the May long challenge. If you have not started the challenge, start right now. Go on codechef.com and on compete, click on May challenge 2021. If you have not given any contest till now, right? And depending on your division, depending on your rating, select your division and start solving problems. And we will be up solving the problems just after the contest ends. So we'll let you know the schedule. Me or Naman, either one of us will be up solving the questions, just like last month. Okay, so it is a good opportunity, and long challenges are basically an opportunity for you to increase your programming skills. Okay, so if you are a beginner, these are the best contests to start with, because you'll have 4 or 5 days from now, and initially if you started from the first day, you'll have basically 10 days, and you can see all the websites and learn the concept and then apply them to these questions. Okay, so go on the contest and start solving the questions right now. So 3 days and 15 hours are left right now. Okay, and this is about May challenge, and we will let you know the up solving schedule. Okay, don't worry. On the Telegram group, I'll update the up solving schedule. And 2 new batches are going to launch on Unacademy and Codechef's competitive programming tag. So one of the batch is Samurai and one is interview batch. So I'll tell you about both these batches as well. I'll make separate videos on the batches as well in detail, that how you can register and so on. But I'll give you a brief introduction for the batches in this lecture, okay, in this session. So Samurai is an 11-month course, and this is basically for those who are beginner in programming. So it will be a beginner's journey to become an expert programmer. And it is a long course. It is an 11-month course, sufficient for you to learn the entire competitive programming, all the advanced concepts as well. Okay, so it has already launched in 11th. You have not missed out anything. But if you want to start your competitive programming journey, if you want to become an excellent programmer and to crack out the interviews and contests, so this is a batch. Okay, so more batches will be coming soon if you want to register later, but the earlier you start, the better. Okay, so the Samurai batch is for that, and interview batch will be a 6-month comprehensive course just for the problems which are asked in interviews. Okay, so the coding concepts and HR concepts, everything which is required for interviews will be covered, and it will go live on 17th May. Okay, so you still have 4 days to think about it. If you want to join interview batch, you can. If you have like some interviews lined up after 6 months, campus placements, off-campus drives, if you're planning to switch a company, then this is a nice opportunity for you. Okay, so you can learn everything required for companies to a decent level, and to crack any product-based company basically. So the educators who are teaching have themselves cleared the top product-based company. They have been working for top product-based firms. I'll tell you that. So this is the batch structure for Samurai batch. You can check it on the course webpage as well. You can search the batch using the batch name and just write Unacademy competitive programming, and you'll get the batch details. Okay. And this is the batch structure for interview batch. This is a 6-month batch. So only topics relevant to interviews will be covered. Okay, not anything else. So like the very advanced topics which are not needed for any company's interviews will not be taught. So don't worry. If you don't want to go into competitive programming in detail, and you just want to clear the concepts which are required for clearing any top product-based company interview, then this batch is for you basically. Okay. And these are the educators. They have been to ICPC World Finals. They are Code Forces Grandmasters, and they have been alumni of top product-based companies. So they will be teaching. Tanuj and Saket, Pulkit, Riya. They have been working for like companies like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Flipkart. And they are excellent programmers, and they will be teaching the concepts. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the quality. And if you're watching me for the first time, I am Jai Bansal. I teach competitive programming, C++ data structures, so everything related to interview and CP on this YouTube channel, as well as on an Unacademy platform. So if you take the subscription, you'll be able to see me in some of the batch sessions as well, and these educators as well. Okay, So yeah, I teach this, and I am also teaching in GATE category. If you are a GATE aspirant, I am currently teaching discrete mathematics. Okay, so if you want to take any subscription, you can use the code JAYCP and you'll get 10% off for competitive programming or GATE. Okay, so for GATE, new batches are constantly launching, so you already know who the educators are teaching, right? And yeah, I am currently teaching discrete maths, and all other educators are teaching different subjects. So you can choose to watch whoever you want. And yeah, so these are the prices for the subscription rates for GATE. And yeah, these are after you use the code JYCP, okay? And for competitive programming, this is the price after you use the code JYCP. So if you're planning to take interview preparation course, you can go with the 6-month course as well. But if you are planning to take an entire 12-month course, then you can basically watch both. Okay, so if you take one subscription, you'll be able to watch all the lectures in all the batches. So if it takes 12 months, then definitely you can watch all the interview preparation videos as well as you can watch the samurai batch. Okay, so yeah, cool. So you can follow me on Unacademy app, and you can see my special classes which are for free, to see that how the platform works, how the live session goes, how you can comment on different questions. Okay, so how the interaction goes basically. So go on the Unacademy app and see the special sessions. Okay, thank you guys, let's crack it.